Before we start our next function, let's briefly discuss a few topics that we'll be using in our function. And let's start off with local variables. I briefly mentioned local and global variables earlier on. And to reiterate, local variables are within a function and are only accessible to the function within which they are declared and have what is called local scope. And let's have a look at a very simple example. In our example, var dog is a global variable which will be available to all functions in our script, and in this case it is available to function foo. Therefore, when we alert the variable dog in the foo function and later on call foo right here, it will alert the string boxer. However, notice that we have another variable within the function called cat, whose value is the string tabbycat. Now, when I alert cat outside the function below where we have called foo, it returns an error and there is no alert message saying tabbycat. And this is because variables within functions are local variables and have local scope. Local variables are deleted once the function is executed. And let's move on to discuss if, else conditional statements. We've coded an if-else block, and this one is not very much different. If the condition in the if statement is false, then the condition in the else-if conditional statement is tested, and if that's false, we can check another else-if conditional statement and so on. If all are false, then the code in the else block is executed. And with that, let's discuss calling a function from within a function. Now, you can call a function from within another function, and this is useful because you can control when and under what set of conditions a function is called after it has been declared. Now, this is a simplistic example, but it demonstrates what is meant by calling a function from within a function. Here, function A and B are both declared and then called from within function AB, and function AB is called as a standalone function on a separate statement. Notice that we called the clear button function from within the setValue function earlier on. And now let's discuss the last topic. So you can join together strings with the addition operator. The addition operator does string concatenation, and in the example you see var full message is composed of var hello plus var world. Therefore, we've concatenated two variables. However, there is no space between the words hello and world in a var full message. So we've fixed that in var full message with space, wherein we've concatenated an empty string with the addition operator to provide white space between the two words, hello and world. Now remember, we went over concatenation with the additional assignment operator as well. So with this, let's go on to code our opclick function.